morning guys. So today is day 2 of our Taiwan trip. We're heading to North Coast. So we availed tour package. Pero sa Facebook lang namin yung nakita. So meet up namin is 8 AM at Ximen Station, exit 6. Oras is 7:29. So maaga pa naman. 10 minutes walk yun from our Airbnb. So baka mag-breakfast muna kami ng light. Sana hindi umulan today sa aming tour. So this is Ximending at 7 AM. So very early in the morning. Medyo patanghali na nga ito. This is Ximending night market by day. So walang katao-tao. Paggabi ang daming tao dito eh. Tsaka malinis. So galing pa lang kami dito kagabi on our first day. Dahil nag-ikot-ikot lang muna kami since free time naman namin. So dapat pala nagsishinfutang kayo pag morning kasi wala masyadong pila. Ayun yung shinfutang. Ayan. Pero you can try other milk teas naman, especially mga local milk teas. Hindi yung masyadong hyped or mainstream na mga milk tea. Pero ito siya. And then ayun, ito na yung exit 6. Nagsuot na ako ng capses. So very halata-hatang tourist kami dito. Picture tayo dito sa may rainbow. Picture tayo dito oh. Maaga pa naman.
After taking our photos, we bought scallion pancake from this vendor at Ximending before heading to our tour.
Now inside the van, aming tour guide waiting for other joiners. Mga 8 siguro alis na kami. Or pag dumating na yung iba. We're here now at Xifen. So may pwede kang magpalipad ng sky lantern. Kaso I choose not to participate. Pwede kayong bumili dito ng mga souvenir. Kasi mura yung souvenir pala dito. Bumili ako kagabi ng isang ref magnet sa Ximending, which cost 120 NTD. And the same ref magnet only cost 80 lang dito sa Xifen. Kaya dito na lang kayo bumili. Mura dito. And bibili ulit ako ng mga ref magnet or souvenirs pag may nakita akong cute. Pero ito ipakita ko sa inyo. Parang ganito yung nabili ko kagabi sa Ximending. Tapos dito is lang, 80 pataas. Depende sa design. Kung gusto nyo magpalipad ng sky lantern, pwede din. Pero ako, or kami hindi na. Ito cute. Milk tea. So by 9 AM, may dadaan na train. Ito sila mapalipad sila ng Ito marami pang shop dito pero hindi pa bukas. Ano to? Masarap. Magkano to?
Ano yung biyabaan? Ayun
Calamansi juice.
If you're visiting Chiffen Waterfalls, prepare for walks and stairs. Malayo-layo din yung lakaran before you get to the photo spot, given that we visited in summer. There are food stalls, so you wouldn't get to worry about getting hungry during your tour. We went to the view deck to see the waterfalls sa una-unahan pa ng usual photo spot na nakikita niyo sa social media. Ingat lang sa area na to kasi madalas dahil basa yung area. This is the usual spot tourists take their photos. Crowded na din by the time na nakababa kami from the view deck. We got this coin souvenir from Avendo, then ate our favorite sausage from the stalls we passed by earlier before heading back to the van to get to Jufen.
Currently here on our third stop. Third stop na ba namin? Kasi we went to Chiffen Falls, and now we're here at Jufen. Mga 30 minutes away from Jufen. Naka-tour kami, so mabilis na magpatakbo yung aming driver. Pero safe doon. Sorry. Can I see the menu, please? Sorry. Magkano yan?
200.
Plum ale. Plum ale.
Binawas, 470.
Nagamit mo? Pwede gamitin yung yung Taiwan Lucky Land dito. Pambaya dito sa restaurant na to. Basta yung famous restaurant dito sa Jifen. Ito ginamit namin. Magkano lahat? 470. Wala man ibang charge. Kung nanalo kayo nito, so pwede nyo gamitin sa pagkain. Parang libre na yung lunch namin. We ordered itong braised pork, kinemerlut, steamed vegetable. Ito edamame. Wala pa yung xiaolong bao. Ito nag-order ditong per plum ale, medyo mahal, 200 NTD, pero masarap naman siya.
Pa-chopstick.
And water. And here's our view. Ito yung view namin dito. Oh, diba? Ganda. First time natin magkain ng xiaolong bao. If you want to take lunch na may magandang view, ito, dito kami kumain. So, dun yung view. Makikita yung view doon. But, I think, hindi ko sure kung may iba pang restaurants na nag-offer ng may magandang view. But, if you want to explore, go lang. But, we opted to take our lunch na dito para at least makapaglakad-lakad na kami. Kasi, babalik na kami sa van in a while.
This is me, taking a photo of other tourists. Alam nyo na susunod yan. Syempre magpapapicture din kami sa kanila. They take good photos, by the way. The narrow alleys of Jufen Old Street have gems like souvenir shops and overwhelming food stalls. I think it's better to spend the rest of the day here to explore the place. I wasn't even able to try the famous shaved ice cream here due to crowd and time constraint. There are coffee shops and tea shops. May resting area if pagod na kayo maglakad-lakad, and para siyang maze, maraming pasikot-sikot. There's also a temple in the area, and sobrang ganda. Then it's time to go to our next destination, the Golden Waterfall.
Mini size.
I just took some photos and we proceeded to the Yin Yang Sea afterwards and the site of the remains of 13 levels, which unfortunately late na sa amin tinuro ng guide. Hirap din kasi siya mag-English and nasa loob na kami ng van at the time. But I'll attach photos from the web and also attach the photos I have taken during this trip. Sobrang init lang talaga nitong oras na to. Nakaka-drain ng energy kaya di kami makababad sa labas. We are now on our last stop, the Yelyu Geopark. We used our Lucky Land card to pay for admission fee, 120 NTD per person. One of the reasons why we really wanted to visit Taiwan is to see the Queen's Head in Yelyu.
Thank you.
I've read online that the Queen's Head is thinning over time,
Kumalipot din, no?
and there's a high chance that it will break in the future.
Siguro mas maganda dito mag lakad-lakad pag autumn or spring or winter kasi hindi ka masyado pagpapawisan. Tsaka baka yung mga dahon dito mga nag-red na or yellow. Pero compared naman sa Philippines na summer, dito hindi masyado maalikabok.
Mahaba-haba din yung lakaran papunta sa Queen's Head. If you're planning to go on summer season, just expect a humid weather.
So let's look around. So we're looking for the Queen's Head. Yung heart yan. So careful lang dito sa pag-akyat. Ito na yun. Saan yung Queen's Head? Bako pa man yan.
Yan ba yun?
I'm impatient and I don't like waiting in line for too long. So I just took a photo of it from afar. Maybe I'll be back on another season, a cold season. We have to go back to our van in time and we still have to buy some pasalubong from the Pasalubong Center in Yelyu. My DJI's battery got empty so not much video was taken, but I enjoyed the free taste in Yelyu. And if kilala niyo si ate, siya yung kilalang tindera dyan ng mga Pinoy.
Hey guys, it's me again. 8:17 p.m. na, and we're just having our dinner, and we chose Mala Agpat kasi marami siyang branch dito kahit saan ka pumunta meron. So we ordered Hakpat. So I think it's unlimited. Everything is unlimited siguro. So yan, we ordered spicy and then yung collagen na soup base, and waiting kami dun sa beef. Yun yung collagen, ilalagay dito. So, hirap sila mag-English. So, kayo na lang mag-adjust, guys.
Maraming Mala hotpot around Shiminding. Kayo na lang mamili kung saan kayo kakain. I'm not sure if you need a reservation, but with this branch na napuntahan namin, madami pa naman yung vacant seats. And mind you guys, they only accept cash here.
Tofu.
Not sure with other branches, but always carry cash with you. They will ask you what set will you order, then collect the payment afterwards before serving the food.
Bakit F5? Ganda ng meat. Unlimited beer and unlimited drinks, soft drinks, and unlimited, sparkling beverage. May tea din. And you can choose your sauces. And pwede kang pumili ng vegetables na gusto mo. You can choose your unlimited ice cream. Lakad-lakad lang dito sa Shivending Night Market pala. Kala ko Rauhe Night Market. Nahanap kami ng shoes. So, kumain kami sa Mala Hotpot. Magkano yun? 798 NTD per person. Mahal, pero sulit naman. Tsaka yung meat nila doon na ginamit, quality. Is lakad-lakad dahil super busog kami. Pauwi na kami ng B&B. Gahanap kami ng shoes.
We dropped by ABC Mart to check for shoes, but didn't find anything just yet. We spent the rest of the night strolling around Shimending,
Damihan mo.
playing at claw machines before going back to our Airbnb.
May timer to.
Meron.
Before I end this vlog, hope you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. More of my Taiwan trip on my next vlog. Thank you for watching!